Hi guys, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. In today's video I'm going to make this hairstyle, which is double braid band hairstyles. It seems that you have put some hairband, but you're going to make this band from your own hair. So without further delay, let's get started. Guys, this hairstyle is really easy. All you have to do is just follow the steps the way I'm doing. Watch this video completely and very carefully. First of all, I backcomb my hair, then I'll make a puff and will secure it with the help of tic-tac pins. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe to my channel and become part of this Stay Charming family. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is stay_charming07. After securing the puff, I'm going to make regular braid by taking small section of both the sides of my hair. If you guys are interested in watching Hindi videos, you can subscribe to my channel Beauty and Creativity. Now after completing the braid, flip your braid, left side braid on the right side and left side braid on the left side and secure it with the help of bobby pins or tic-tac pins. Now hide your pins with the help of your hair and remove your tic-tac pins with which you secured your puff. And pull some of your hair from the front to give it a messy look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you really liked it, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and if you have already done, thank you so much for that. So that's all for this video guys. Meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye. Take care.